Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use the Request Desk module in OrangeHRM. In a typical work environment, an employee may need to make various requests from different departments. This could be an employee letter from the HR department or an equipment upgrade from the IT department. Such requests can be challenging to track and manage. In order to overcome this challenge, OrangeHRM Request Desk module allows employees to raise different requests to different entities within the organisation in order to get their requirements addressed. Request Desk ensures that every conversation will be recorded and every request can be tracked and managed efficiently by the relevant parties. To navigate to the OrangeHRM Request Desk module, you should expand the More section and go to Request Desk. When using the module, in order for employees to effectively use the Request Desk functionality and submit requests, request types should first be configured in the system. To do this, the admin user must open the Configure Request Types section. In this screen, you can see all the available request types listed, an edit option for each of these request types, and the Add Request Type button, which will allow for the creation of a new request type. Let's go ahead and add a new request type. When you click on the Add Request Type button, a quick pop-up window will appear to capture basic information about the request type. The system will allow you to specify the request type name, whether the request type needs to be pre-approved before sending it to the recipient, as well as the intended receiver of the request as the primary request owner. Once this information is populated and saved, a more detailed window will appear in which you will define most of the configurations to be made for the request type. Here, apart from the previously defined information, the user can also add a secondary request owner if required. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the general fields for the request. Every request will have common fields which the user needs to complete when submitting the request. To save time in configuring a request type, the OrangeHRM team have defined a default set of general fields which will be available for any request type. These are request title, request description, a date that the employee wants the request to be completed by. This is recorded as the resolution date. Submission date will be automatically captured by the system based on the server date. The next section, apart from the general area, is the Custom Fields section. Any additional information that the request should contain can be accommodated via custom fields. You can add, edit, and arrange the order of these fields from within the Custom Fields section. When you click on the Add Custom Field button, the following window will appear, allowing you to capture the field name, the custom fields type, and whether it is a mandatory field or conditional field configuration. This is how you can configure a request. Now let's see how to view the employee requests. In the navigation bar, click on the Employee Requests section to go to Employee Requests list. In this list, the system will also allow you to filter the list based on the following criteria. When a particular request is clicked, the system will bring you inside the request where the user can view the information. As you can see, this screen includes the data the employee has completed when raising the request, action buttons to cancel and edit the request, and a button to request more information directly from the employee without involving additional parties. In addition, there is an attachment section for adding an attachment and a conversation section to track conversations related to this request. OrangeHRM Request Desk provides comprehensive reporting capabilities on the requests raised and resolved within the system. These reports include the reports dashboard and various individual reports which can be really useful in driving important decision making for your organization. In the dashboard section, each of these blocks provide visibility of the requests in the system based on their status. These reports can only be accessed by the admin of the system. You also have the ability to select the statuses you wish to see from the available charts and thus get a clear picture of what actions are required to improve productivity of the request desk. As you can see, now this chart shows information for all the data sources, while if we select specific sources, the chart will display information only for the selected employees. Now let's open the Request Information report. This report provides a detailed view of the requests tracked in the system. This report consists of information including the owner, status, priority, and resolution date. The system also provides additional reports such as requests by type, requests by status, requests by priority, and request closure report, which shows information based on the given criteria. These reports not only provide a graphical overview, but also deliver a detailed view of the information you need most. These buttons allow the reports to be exported to PDF or CSV format for download and subsequent offline analysis. The Request Desk module also consists of an audit trail that will record any activity which has taken place in the system, along with the information pertaining to who carried out the action and date and time information. This allows you to track changes made to any request in the system and can prove very useful in trying to get a better understanding of updates made under special circumstances. By using this filter option, you can also filter the audit trail items based on the filter criteria listed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com. For any support matters, drop an email to goldsupport@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.